Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel English Express. The book is on my desk. The book is on my desk. The cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. The ball is under the chair. The ball is under the chair. The dog is behind the tree. The dog is behind the tree. The apple is between two boxes. The apple is between two boxes. The bird is above the roof. The bird is above the roof. The shoes are below the bed. The shoes are below the bed. The fish swims in water. The fish swims in water. The cup is on the shelf. The cup is on the shelf. I sit near my friend. I sit near my friend. The cat is in front of the door. The cat is in front of the door. The clock is on the wall. The clock is on the wall. Put the toys in the bag. Put the toys in the bag. The rabbit hides under the table. The rabbit hides under the table. The boy stands behind his mother. The boy stands behind his mother. The girl sits near her mother. The girl sits near her mother. The dog sleeps in front of the house. The dog sleeps in front of the house. The tree is between two houses. The house is between two trees. The house is between two trees. The boy is under the table. The boy is under the table. The cat is on the bed. The cat is on the bed. The toy is below the chair. The toy is below the chair. The milk is in the glass. The milk is in the glass. The plate is on the table. The plate is on the table. The ball is under the table. The ball is under the table. The cat sleeps under the blanket. The cat sleeps under the blanket. The picture is on the wall. The picture is on the wall. The kids play in the park. The kids play in the park. The bag lies on the floor. The bag lies on the floor. The toy car is under the bed. The toy car is under the bed. The dog runs behind the toy boy. The dog runs behind the boy. I sit near my sister. I sit near my sister. The bus is in front of the school. The bus is in front of the school. The shoes are below the shelf. The shoes are below the shelf. The apples are in the basket. The apples are in the basket. The cat jumps under the table. Cat jumps under the table. The teacher is in front of the board. The teacher is in front of the board. The river is between two hills. The river is between two hills. The sun is above the mountains. The sun is above the mountains. The clock is on the wall. The clock is on the wall. The toys are in the box. The toys are in the box. The cat hides behind the sofa. cat hides behind the sofa. The cat hides behind the sofa. Thank you.